Hello, good day. Here I am again. Today we're gonna be doing a next tutorial. Today we're gonna be learning how to do home folder. Okay, let's begin. I'm gonna start off by clicking on Start. I'm gonna go on Computer. Click on Computer. I'm gonna go into my C drive. Basically, this is the same thing like how we did before with the Roman profile. Basically, now we're just gonna create a home folder. Okay, so I'm gonna right click. I'm gonna go on New folder. Name this home folder. And I'm gonna right click on this, go on properties, go on sharing, click on share, click on everyone, add, gonna name, click on the drop down, put this as contributor, and click on share, and done. Okay, now I'm gonna go on advanced sharing. I'm gonna go on permissions. Alright, as you see, everyone, change, read, but I'm going to take this time full control to allow full control. Okay, and that's on everyone. Okay, remember that. Apply. Okay, so I'm gonna click apply here too and click OK. Right, I'm gonna copy this because will need this in a little bit. Right click, copy. So okay, I'm gonna close off this. I'm gonna go on my server manager. Right, I'm gonna go on roles, Active Directory, domain services. I'm gonna go on Active Directory, users. I'm gonna go on supralab.com, click on drop down, go on users. Right, you can create a new user for this, or you can use the user you have just previously used on Roman profiles. But I'm gonna use the user I previously used on Roman profiles. I'm gonna click on Jack Williams. I'm gonna right click on and go on to properties. Right, I'm going to go on profile. I'm going to go on home folder, click connect. I'm going to paste our file path here where we just copied. I'm going to backslash percent username percent again. I'm going to click apply. Right, if you go on this, you will see Jack comes up. Okay, I'm going to click OK. Okay, so now we're gonna minimize this. I'm going to go on my client. So now I'm going to go on to my Windows 7 client, and I'm just gonna basically show you an example of home folder here. So I'm gonna go on machine, insert Control Alt Delete. As you can see, my client name comes up, Jack. That's a profile with our Roman profile and our home folder. So I'm gonna put in my password now. Okay, I'm going to click on start here, go on computer. As you can see, Super Factory home folder. So this is basically what we created. This is basically where you can store files and documents that you may need in the future. So I'm just gonna drag this here. I'm gonna create a file on my desktop, create a icon. I'm gonna name this cars. Right, I'm gonna go here now, create a next file of documents. I'm gonna call this here. Okay, my bad. Go back on my computer, go on this new folder, rename this. I'm gonna name this gears, and that's that. Okay, right, so I'm gonna close off this. I'm gonna go on my Vista client. I'm gonna log off this. I'm gonna go on my Vista client, and same as on the roaming profiles, we supposed to see this on our next client. So this is logged off. I'm gonna go on my Vista client now. Go on machine, click on insert, Control Delete, put in our password, enter. Remember we are logging into our Jack user. Okay, so the folder cars, I'm gonna go on computer and go open up our home folder, and you see our next folder, Gales. So basically that's home folder for you. And to just show you that we have created a file in our local disk, I'm gonna go on home folder, open up home folder, and our username Jack. These are basically where your files that you use will be stored on the server. So okay, so that's home folder for you. I hope you learned a lot, and I hope you succeed. Thanks again for viewing my tutorial.